Okay, this is delaying again. I've managed to finally get a better headset, and it is the Earforce PX21 by Turtle Beach. I'm going to try and do this as quick as I can because it is dark, but that's basically the packaging. So basically this will let me play my sound through the PS3 into my headset while capturing at the same time, and I can basically record the sound separately and I'm not to worry about editing or anything like that. So I'm just going to get this open. The box is a bit funny. It's not one of those easy things which take 2 seconds to open. It's all that stupid seal stuff, as you can probably tell. So I've got to cut all that off quick as I can, and hopefully I've practiced enough to get these open in no time at all. Quick. We'll tear there, pull that, get that out. Pretty easy to do. Comes out pretty easy, nothing much special. Look inside for the guide, which actually fell out, so it wasn't attached or anything, so that's your manual. Pretty bog standard. Guess it's in different languages. Yep, pretty much standard stuff. That's what it comes in. 16 foot of cable apparently is there. So that also, I'll just show you this. You have your piggyback cables, which comes to a 3.5mm jack. Now I was trying to find these myself on eBay, but I just thought, well, I need a better headset, so I thought I'd get that. So basically, then get rid of this packaging. Without damaging the paperwork. That comes out. That's that, not much special. So then, basically, on this end of the cable you have your 3.5mm jack, which will go into that. So they go in like that. Then that will basically, you've got your PS3 RCA cable, so that's the yellow, red and white. So you put your white into there, and then you put your red into there. Then that goes basically into your TV. So then the sound is passed through each channel and to your TV at the same time, or any other device you wish it to go through to, like an amp or anything. So that's pretty much that. And get rid of that, and that's the headset. Hopefully looks pretty good, and they are pretty. They feel quite good actually. They don't feel too cheap. Seem nice and easy to use. So they'll go flat. Then that. So I'm going to have a play around with these, see how they go. So basically, I'm going to be able to do my commentary, and all that padding should stop the sound from leaking through. So my commentary in my future playthrough should be quite good. So from part 28 onwards, I'm on near playthrough, which I have yet done. If you're interested in watching, then I will be doing that soon, and we'll soon see what the difference is like. Oh yeah, and then this is your amplifier. Pretty easy to use. It's got a clip-on belt there, and I've seen sort of the video. Someone's been unlucky to have their thing have broken off. Feels pretty strong. Yep. And they bought some of these headsets and the wires. They feel like they could just snap off. I know I bought a Logitech one in the past, and I just knocked it off, and it snapped off. So in all, it looks like a pretty good device. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels quite good. Plenty of cabling, which is a good thing. So We'll soon find out. So thanks for watching my unboxing video, and hopefully in the next few videos you'll start to see the difference and I can get used to these. So this is delaying out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in my future playthroughs if you're interested to watch. If you're new, please, if you like my stuff, have a look, subscribe, or just have a look and see what you think. Okay, so this is delaying out. Thank you very much, and bye bye.